For for this example, this is the one that most people may make mistake or they couldn't even calculate the mean. So this one is called group data, but this group data is not very accurate because, for example, okay, why is it not so accurate? So in this example, we are looking at the number of HFMD cases over a period of 30 days. So there are 20 days, right, where we see this amount of cases, but we do not know the exact cases. We only know that it's between 20 to 30. So we only know that it's somewhere between 20 to 30, but we do not know the individual value. So that's why it's not so accurate. We don't know the individual value. So as a gauge, right, I'm going to use the middle value. So the middle value is 25 in this case. How do you know the middle value? You just add them up and divide by 2. So don't be affected by the equal sign and the non-equal sign. Okay, so that means right now the interpretation here will be I got 20 days of 25 cases each. So I assume that it is 25 cases for each of the 20 days. So this is a data that's not so accurate. So I also got 19 days where it is around 30 to 40. So do you know the actual number? So in this case, I don't know the actual number. So you assume the mean values. We take the mean values to assume. So my assumption right now will be there are 19 days of 35 cases each. So the same thing happened here. I'll be taking the mean values. So as I said, don't be affected by the equal sign or the non-equal sign. Right, it's 45. So this one will be a 55. So this one is the one that we use the mean value. So sometimes they will be asking you, why is this means not accurate? Because we use the mean value to estimate the real number of values. So the 25, 35, 45, 55, which are the mean values in the range, is just an estimate. So our mean is only an estimate. It doesn't reflect the real mean. To get the real mean, I need the actual cases every single day. But the thing is, I don't have. Okay, so the interpretation will be 24 days of 45 cases each. And then I got 55 days of, no, not 55 days, 17 days. 17 days of 55 cases each. So I got to, if I want to find the average, I will need the total cases, total HFMD cases. That means, right, I will just have to keep multiplying. So I need the total cases. So I'll get the number of cases. And then I also need the number of days. The number of hand, foot, mouth cases seen by a doctor each day. So in this case, if you add up everything here, you will get 80 days. I wonder if there's a typo here. Okay, let's take it as there's a typo. So the mean, which is like how many cases on average, how many cases each day. So you divide out, you will get 39.75 cases per day. Okay, so it doesn't change our idea of mean. We always need to get a total. So in this case, our total cases is being estimated because we use the mid value. The mid value is not the actual value. So there's an estimation of the total value. That's why the mean in the end turns out to be only an estimate. It should be close to the actual one, but this is not the actual value. Okay, so this is one of the common one. A lot of people make mistake. You might make mistake because you get the wrong mid values. So a reminder, don't care about the equal sign or not. To get the mid value, you just add up that two number, divide by 2.